I'm Justin, and I'm here to show you how to safely remove the OtterBox screen protector from your phone. Here are a couple things you'll need. A plastic card like an old credit card or ID, a microfiber cloth, isopropyl alcohol, and potentially a hairdryer. If you have a plastic screen protector, such as an OtterBox polyarmor, it should peel off easily. Gently lift a corner of the protector using a plastic card and peel it back slowly to remove it. If you have an OtterBox branded glass screen protector, you should be able to remove it the same way, using the plastic card method. Some brands of glass screen protectors may need a hairdryer to loosen the adhesive. Hold it about 6 inches away and use it on the lowest setting for 15 seconds. The adhesive should then loosen enough to peel off using the plastic card method. If there's any adhesive still stuck on the screen, dab a bit of alcohol on a cloth and gently wipe away the residue. If your screen protector is cracked, follow these same steps, but place strips of clear sticky tape over the cracked parts to hold the screen together before applying heat. It may help to do this over a cardboard box to catch any loose shards that fall. That's it. Now you're ready to add a brand new OtterBox screen protector to keep your screen safe.